Alright guys, so today's going to be the first time that they've had raw meat like, well not raw meat, sorry, puppy food like this. I tell her like, they've had like, it comes in tiny little chunks about that big, and when I've been giving it to Tess, because she's on puppy food, oi, you little monster, no, because she's on puppy food. So I just give each puppy a tiny little square of it, and they liked it, so I'm just going to see what they're like now. You're going to shift. You're going to shift. Go on, move. Move. Go on. Yeah, all their scarred and everything's healed right up now. Tess, no. Come on, out. Out. Go on. Go away. This ain't for you. Oh, that one's having it, innit? Come on. Oh, go on then, in there. Go on in. Go on. Oh, they're tucking in, aren't they? So these were on when was it? Friday. On Friday they were 3 weeks old. Today's Sunday, so they're 3 weeks and 2 days. And they're already tucking into meat, look. Hello, bear. Hello, boy. Oh, look at you. Yeah, so I'm not expecting them all to eat it, yeah, they're probably just walking it like that, look. Come on then, who are you? Oh, Harley. Little Harley, come here boy. Get out. Go on in, girl. Go on in. Tess, come on in. Come on. Come on. It's not having none of it. Oh, where you going? So yeah, I'd say that's a bit of a successful meal. So yeah, my original plan was to start weaning them at 3 weeks old onto things like rice pudding, cream, you know, bland stuff like that. But yeah, yesterday when I tried them with that meat, they loved it. So I thought I'd just give them that, see what they're like. Hopefully it don't give them runs at all, but we'll find out, won't we? Come on Harley, try that. What are you doing here? Hmm? You move one and then the other one just takes its place, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. What is it? Hey? What is it? Nah, it's just dropping it on my knee, look. Eat it then. Tess. Oh, I think they've had it off. I think they want the bottle, don't they? Go on then. Here, look what's that. Oh, yes. You want some Harley? Yeah. Come on, Harley. Alright, alright. Good girl.
Oh.
Whew. Which one was it that loved it? It's Poppy. It's Poppy. Come Come here, you. I don't know why they all have to go on my knee. Oh, look at that puppy. We know you'll like it, don't we? Come on, man, eat it all up. Because your mum will eat it. Look at that, the tool that I sold, I just took it straight in, haven't they? Oh, look. Oh, they've got sharp little teeth now, haven't they? Oh, look at that. Got some more? Yeah, bear. Bear. Come on, then. Come on, then. Look at all this meat here, eh? Tess, here you go. Get a picture of mum as well, cleaning up. There you go, Marley. One more go at it. And then we're done. We're done. Now we love. Yes. 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 Did you get this one? Ouch. I've got needle sharp teeth, haven't they? There you go. Which one was it that done the poop?
That's alright.
Which one was it that done the poop?
I don't know.
Good girl. Not that one. Ugh. Mucky pup. Come on then, Jake trousers now. Well, that's me all mucked up. Where's she going, girl? Where's she going? Here, Tess, come here. Come on. Eat ding dings. Come on then. Eat ding dings. Good girl. Yes. Hello, Jake, I know. Come here, you.